Homer announces a dramatic diet, claiming heroic restraint while devouring salad metaphors loudly on camera. Marge suspects theater, but supports him, cooking sensible meals with cheerful sighs and eye rolls. Bart sneaks junk food into Homer's chart, creating comic discrepancies that threaten their domestic peace. Lisa analyzes dieting science, finding Homer exaggerates results while neighbors critique his performance at assembly. Moe's Tavern becomes unwitting sponsor, as Homer bets donuts will validate his heroic dieting claims. Act montage shows Jim's glow, treadmill chases, and a donut eclipse behind Homer in slow-mo. Principal Skinner announces a citywide health fair, inviting Springfieldians to weigh their pride and futures. Homer misleads authorities by presenting a fake weigh-in, declaring victory while cheating scales with gusto. Marge negotiates with Apu about healthier donuts, and Selma sabotages exercise machines with laughter nearby. Bart hosts a prankathon at Krusty Burger, broadcasting misadventures to a massive crowd back home. Chief Wig Gum investigates rumors, tracing fitness myths through confetti on Main Street Parade and smiles. Ned Flanders offers gospel guidance, urging moderation while accidentally mulched strawberry smoothies spill over his shoes. Lisa records testimonies, mapping data visualizations as the town accidentally banners with slogans about health. Moe's bartender disguises as diet coach, filming oblivious patrons for a ridiculous infomercial tonight only. We flash to a distant couch, where Homer explains consistency using cartoonish diagrams to friends. In the Quickie Mart, Apu exposes real calories, sparking a spicy donut confession among regulars there. Homer's porky lie backfires when pantry witnesses reveal his secret snack stash tonight at donuts. Despite chaos, Marge anchors family meals, smoothing tensions with patience and warm, exasperated sighs everywhere. Bart and Lisa lobby Principal Skinner to host a donut education fair at Springfield High today. Moe unites barflies to share abstinence pledges, creating stop-motion cards showing discipline sprawl on screen. Homer crashes the fair with a dramatic donut apology, slipping twice on powdered sugar laughing. Carl and Lenny narrate mini-epics, weaving callbacks about couch gags from seasons past to celebrate. Suddenly, Burns declares a citywide charity drive, inviting everyone to donate calories wisely for children. The main plot collides with subplots as chaos crashes the boardwalk and Jim at once. Homer fabricates weight loss statistics in a spinning projection room, triggering alarm bells through the city. Marge flags the deception, while Lisa calculates real trends to recalibrate the episode's arc tonight. The community rallies, repeating last season's donut chorus, turning embarrassment into accidental communal resilience together. In a final showdown at Springfield Plaza, every character delivers a confession with punchlines intentionally. The family embraces truth, donuts become symbol, and forgiveness tastes surprisingly sugary and sincere tonight. Act 4 concludes with peace, festival, and a Homer-sized epilogue, though, duties restored for everybody.